Cabin filter in a 2020 Honda CRV. This car is probably due for a filter. First thing we're gonna do is push down on the damper here, get it out of the way, unhook it, and then you have these glove box stoppers here. We're gonna pull the glove box inward, pull it down, both sides. Okay, like this. And then you can pull the glove box down, take this door off, push this tab in. Same thing with this side, push the tab in. Ooh, look at that thing, it is super brown, super gross probably. Ooh. It's pretty bad. All right, so on your new filter, it's gonna have arrows on it. That's for the airflow direction. It's gonna be down. All right. Now, if you need a filter, you can check the description box. I'll have a filter link. Takes you to Amazon where you can get a CRV cabin air filter that's recommended for your car. Let me just get this cover, pop it back on here like this. Sure, clicks on there. All right. We're good to go. Then close the glove box. And then you grab the damper and then hook it back up. Like that, you're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could. And yeah, change your cabin air filters, guys. Jesus.